then I hope you said a prayer for me. So my soul that they get here, I hope that you still care for me. Never had nobody, so this music shit my therapy. I was ugly, had no money, now I see the clarity. If you really love me, then I hope you said a prayer for me. I hope you said a prayer for me. So my soul to make it here, I hope they used to care for me. I was ugly, had no money, now I see the clarity. I guess my weekend car, the weekdays I got you at least. I remember days when I was broke, I had shit to eat. Started selling nothing and they don't always ready me. I'm grown with honors when I came home from a level 3. It was good and it was bad. Couple homies hated me. I had to cut them all these things cause they went and chased on me. Started making money, started winning, but these chains on me. Every take to the jail, they didn't come to me. Have you ever lost it all right away? You got it back. Niggas say I ran away, but I still go back to sack. And we say she had me, but she stopped me, so she called me back. If I ran her back today, right away, I'll make it back. I have to sacrifice my whole life to live a better one. I just made another million. I don't need to sound on calls. Counting bitch to level 3. A nigga like me level just trying to shine, but I feel darker than I ever was. If you really love me, then I hope you said a prayer for me. So my soul to make it out, I hope you used to care for me. Never had nobody, so this music shit my therapy. I was ugly, had no money, now I see the clarity. If you really love me, then I hope you said a prayer for me. I hope you said a prayer for me. So my soul to make it out, I hope you used to care for me. I was ugly, had no money, now I see the clarity.
LA, I need you to make some noise for Chito Ranas. Let's go. One.